Let's draw a fun character together. Use your pencil for the outline.
Now, add some bright colors.
Great job! Let's draw a house. First, the outline with a pencil. Now, the red crayon for the roof and blue for the walls.
Let's draw an owl together. Start with the head. Now add the eyes and beak. Great, time to color the body brown. Almost done. Add the final touches.
Let's start by outlining the roof. Now, let's color it bright red. Great! Now add some blue. It's done!
Let's draw a happy cat. First, outline the body. Now, add some red color. Great job!
Let's start by coloring the roof bright red. Great! Now, let's make the sun a happy yellow. You're doing a fantastic job!
First, let's draw the flower's petals. Fill it in with short, soft strokes. Now, draw a stem with green.
Let's begin with the sky using broad strokes of blue. Now add soft clouds, blending them in circular motions. Finally, layer the mountains with earthy tones.
Let's draw a fun cartoon. First, the body and arms. Now, color the body red and a blue hat.
First, draw the character's big head with the marker. Now, let's add some details like the eyes and mouth. Great! Now color the hat red with the pencil.
Let's begin. With your pencil, draw a circle for the head. Great! Now add a happy smile. Perfect! Now grab a marker and color it in. Let's begin our cartoon drawing. First, sketch the outline. Now, let's add some color with the marker. Look at that! A completed character!
Let's start with a pencil, drawing the outline of a house. Now, use the red pencil to color the roof, and the green for the grass.
Let's draw a house with a black crayon. Now, let's make the roof yellow, and add a red door and blue windows. Start with a light sketch of your outline. Now, shade to build depth and form. Finally, add vibrant color to bring it to life.
Let's draw a butterfly. Start with the wings. Now, color the wings red. Great! Now add yellow to the body.
Start with a fine pen for the delicate lines. Now, layer in the color with smooth, wet strokes. Watch it blend for a dramatic effect. Begin with light pencil strokes for your composition. Now, apply a smooth blue wash for the sky. Blend in green for the landscape. Dip your brush to load the pigment. Now, apply it in a smooth, sweeping stroke. Watch the colors blend and come alive. Let's start by sketching the flower's outline with a fine tip pen. Now, let's color the petals red and then the stem green.
Let's draw a circle for the head. Now, add some eyes and a smile. Time to color it in. A beautiful drawing.
Let's draw a happy sun
First, a big yellow circle. Now, add some orange rays.
and a smiley face.
Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. First, the black outline. Now, let's color the wings orange and finish with black details.
Let's draw a happy cat. First, outline the body. Now, add some red color. Great job!